Good morning, children. Today I am going to take class 5th English Grammar. Chapter 2 Kinds of Sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences. First one, statement or assertive sentence. Second one, question or interrogative sentence. Third one, request or command sentence. Fourth one, happy or sad sentence. Now let's see difference between imperative, interrogative and exclamatory. Imperative and assertive sentences always end with full stop. An interrogative sentence always ends with an interrogative mark. An exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation mark. It often begins with interjection. Here you can see the full stop symbol, then interrogative mark symbol, then exclamation mark symbol. Now let's start first sentence, that is statement sentence. A statement sentence is a sentence which says or states something. It is also called an assertive or declarative sentence. An assertive sentence always ends with a full stop. Now let's see some examples. She reads a storybook. She reads a storybook. I am very smart. I am very smart. Third one, children are playing. Children are playing. So here you can see the examples. Now let's see the second one, question sentence. When a sentence asks something, it is called a question sentence. It is also called an interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence always ends with an interrogative mark. I told you already, so this is the interrogative mark symbol. An interrogative sentences always starts with WH word. You know very well about WH word. WH questions. These are direct questions that begin with a WH word. Sometimes it begin with how also. WH words. For example, you can see what, when, where, why, which, whom, whose. Here you can see some examples. How many eggs did the hen lay? Second sentence. Why was the child crying? Third one. Where are you from? Fourth one. What are you doing? You can add some questions also. If the sentence ends with a question mark, that is called interrogative sentence. For example, how are you? Why are you sad? Where are you going? Next one, request or command sentence. When someone requests for something or orders someone, it is called request or command sentence respectively. It is also called an imperative sentence. An imperative sentence also always ends with a full stop. As I told you earlier, an imperative sentence also always ends with an full stop. For example, please give me a glass of water. This one you have to ask politely. You should not ask please give me a glass of water, go and shut the door. Not like that. Please give me a glass of water. Next one, go and shut the door. Third one, study hard for the examination. final one, happy or sad sentence. A sentence which denotes strong, sudden feelings such as happiness or sadness is called a happy or sad sentence. It is also called an exclamatory sentence. An exclamation sentence ends with an exclamation mark. Here you can see the exclamation mark. For example, shh, the baby is sleeping. Shh, the baby is sleeping. Second sentence, what a beautiful painting. According to this statement, sentence, you have to show your feelings. What a beautiful painting. Third sentence, what a beautiful lady. Third sentence, what a beautiful lady. I hope you all understand these 4 sentences. Here I am giving you some homework and I have given you answer also. See, read the following sentences and write their kinds. She reads a storybook. This is which is kinds? Assertive sentence. Why are you so late? This is, you can see in this sentence end with a question mark. So this is interrogative sentence. Third one, please give me your pen. This is command sentence. Fourth one, you do not obey me. This is assertive sentence. Fifth one, what a great success. Here the sentence end with an exclamation mark. So this is exclamatory sentence. Sixth one, where was Jawaharlal Nehru born? The sentence end with a question mark. So this is interrogative sentence. Wash your hands with soap. I told you the sentence end with a full stop means that is command sentence. Then what a beautiful lady. The sentence end with an exclamation mark. So this is exclamatory sentence. Ninth one, Aman has started a publishing. Here which is sentence it is? Assertive sentence. 10th one, have you seen the Eiffel Tower? Here the sentence end with question mark. So this is interrogative sentence. Then this is very simple. You can find the answer by yourself. Rearrange the words in the following groups to make each group a meaningful sentences. First one, next is win the match. Next is win the match. So first one I will give the answer. When is the next match? So remaining 4 you have to find out. I hope you can find the answer. So find the answer and write it in your copy. When you all come to the school, I will check your copy, write neatly and submit the copy on time. Thank you.